Right, if you're going down the river, make sure.
Hey, sit in the boat and crack your beer.
We're here together till the end. Help! Get ready, get ready! Oh sh! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Go! Oh no! This video is going to be sick. It's going to be absolutely sick. Let me explain. So, me and the boys, when we went to Exeter, we seen this river, and we always wanted to like do like a river video and some river stuff, like funny stuff for you guys. We looked at this river and it's crazy, right? Exeter River, absolutely insane. It's like rapids, literally just rapids, straight up rapids. I was looking around for a boat. And me and Harry was looking on Facebook, everywhere was looking. But there was alright boats, you know. We didn't really see any we quite liked. So after looking for a while, I found this one boat. It was absolutely insane. Now, this boat is a four-person boat, and it is insanely huge. So, let me show you. I've got some exciting stuff to tell you guys. It has arrived today. Yeah, so here we go. This is the boat. I paid about 95 quid for it. £95. And this is what it looks like. I paid 95 for mine. But this is sick. It's got seats. It's got little seats, bro. It's got your pump, obviously, and your oars. We've got oars, bro. And yeah, it's sick. Look how many people you get in there. Absolute sick. This is the box. I've literally just brought it in from the shed. So, that's the boat ordered. What am I talking about? Well, the boat is here. So it's been ordered and now it's here today. So, the boat has just arrived this morning. I am looking so forward to this video. Harry, me are going to be the ones in the boat. The river's just literally rapids, so it's absolutely mental. But yeah, I really look forward to this video. I'm so excited to take you guys along. And for the next video, after this one, possibly, we're not sure, there might be a couple of things in between, I have no idea, it might just be the next one. But we are going to try to do Torrington to Bideford. But we have life jackets, we have very good life jackets. I have one for Harry. And I just got a new SD card for my GoPro. So I bought this new SD card and it is 2 terabytes. I've got a 2 terabyte storage SD card. An SD card that holds 2 terabytes. To put in perspective, I'm on the new Xbox. This is the new Xbox, the Series X. But this holds a terabyte of storage. A terabyte. I have 2 terabytes on an SD card, bro. Yeah, so I decided to invest in a proper SD card, like one with loads of storage. It'll probably cut to now or tomorrow, setting up the boat outside, and I'll show you just how insane it is, because I haven't even seen it yet. I haven't even seen it, bro. I haven't seen it. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go out. Let's set up the boat, let's pump it up, and pump it right up. But yeah. Let's go set the boat up. Wow, look at the size of this thing. Looks like you get this massive bag with it. This thing's not even pumped up and it's absolutely huge. Look at the size of it. This is literally massive, absolutely ridiculous. Right, that's the first one pumped up. and it's pretty solid. But that only took about like a couple minutes. It's absolutely insane, it's so powerful. And yeah, I got to still do like 3 more. So just finished pumping the boat up, and this is what it looks like. This is it. This is first glance of it. Look at the absolute size of this. It's ridiculous. We're going to do the seats now, but this is unreal. So this is what the boat looks like. It's absolutely insane. Just set the seats up, and this is what it looks like. Mental. Trust me, this is going to be sick. It didn't take too long to set up neither. The pump's really, really good. Alright, we're on our way to Exeter. There's been a bit of confusion in the plan, hasn't there? Michael, I was spam ringing him this morning because I was out last night till like all night. And then pretty much I rang him and he finally answered. He's with Harry, and apparently they're in Westwood Ho. In Westwood Ho, I'm like, Michael, what are you talking about? You're in Westwood Ho, mate. And yeah, they're in Westwood Ho. But we've got everybody here. They're both hungover as hell. These two are very hungover. Not really the best weather, but we're here. We're ready, aren't we, Harry? We're just finding somewhere to go toilet, and this is gonna go. It's gonna go so well. What's your first reaction, mate? Have a look at this, mate.
Have fun.
And then there's this one. It's bigger today. It's bigger today. Look, wait, Harry, it's got even bigger, bro. What's our luck? It's got bigger, it's got rougher, bro. Are you ready? Right, that is what we got to avoid. We got to go here, like you say. What do you reckon, boys? Woo!
Time for some drunk piloting. Yeah.
We're gonna go down that one first, didn't we, Harry, and then drop into this one?
Yeah.
But that is mad. We're gonna probably try to get out somewhere down there.
Probably down
wherever we can at that point. And then I think we might be safe. I don't know if the swans are about. Right, this is the behind the scenes we're right now. Ollie's on the pump, isn't he?
These guys are just pumping up my bed.
We found this perfect spot. Could this spot be any better? Follow me. Look at this. Right, we've been looking for ages to find a spot. And down here, you've got this. And like, it's a bit muddy, but what do you think? It's quite nice to get in on the boat with, at least. Oh! Fuck you. Hi, bro. You're getting there. Michael's looking very fly in his jacket though, I must say. I do love this one. Dean Winchester vibe there. Alright, we're looking good. Alright, we're here. As you can see, we've got the boat. And right, if you're going down the river, make sure.
Hey, sit in the boat and crack your beer.
I ain't going down this, baby, without a nice cold beer.
Sugar wugs.
Are you ready?
As much as me and Harry would love to join the hospitalities of drinking, we've been on a bender and we cannot perform to the expectations of alcoholism.
So
he has to make up for us.
Alright, well, me and Ollie, we're here. Together. Till the end. Together till the end.
Catch your boomstick.
Help! Right, this is my outfit. What do you rate it?
Right.
You know, Jacksonville pants. I think I look like Ash straight out of Jacksonville, mate.
Right.
What do you guys reckon of the outfit then? This is like Jacksonville Ash, got the shorts. So let's get ready to go back to the car then and hit the river. And we'll see you all in a second when this is going down, baby. He looks amazing. You look like a superhero. Wow. Maybe Mark from Invincible. Yeah. You didn't hear that, did you? Oh, ow! Oh, that definitely. Ah! Let's do this up. Look good.
Look at the suds. Man's got no bubbles.
Man's got an ice cream. We're going in. And Harry's down there already. But this is it, we've got the boat. Them lot just left us to go down to the bridge. This is it, Harry. The boat Right, this is the dream. We're doing this. Whoa, we're doing it.
Just take 2 steps. No.
Oh, it's gross. I'd rather jump.
No, just take 2 steps. Look, what happens if you take 2 steps?
Oh, oh no. Yo. Oi, we're gonna probably have to jump that, man.
We're gonna get in.
I'm gonna jump.
I wanna get used to the water.
We're gonna have to jump, I reckon. Or we could, no, I've got an idea. We could push the boat out and jump on it together. Yeah. And subscribe, because this is going down. Isn't it, Harry?
We're gonna die.
Oh, the bottle opener. Oh, we've made a severe mistake. We have the bottle opener, but it's not gonna fit in the pocket. Oh no. It will have to go in like that, look. Have a look. That's the best it's gonna get in there. This is unreal. Look at this boat.
I'm gonna come on.
And this is what we're doing down Exeter River, bro. Do you wanna, yeah, turn here? And now just push it in maybe. Oh, wait. We need to go the other way. Quickly just pausing the video to say if you could subscribe and like, I'd really appreciate it. And it goes so far as to help me very much. And thank you. Ready? You got to hold it tight, man.
Fine, you're fine, you're fine. There you go. So now I need to get on.
Oh my god, right, get on. Whoa! Oh my days. Right, we're in.
Shit.
My days, we're leaving shore. Alright, if you film me, I'll jump in. If you film me, I'll go in.
You want to jump in this?
Yeah, I'll go in.
Do you know how cold it is?
Yeah. You ready?
Oh, no, what if you flip the boat, bro?
I won't, because I won't jump fully like that. I'll just pop off the end.
Right. No, because how are you going to get back in?
I'll climb up. I'm not jumping, I'm just plopping, ready?
What, are you gonna swim the boat back over that way?
Yeah, alright.
It's
cold. I got this though. Oh my days, it's cold.
Yeah, just kick with your legs, kick with your legs. Hold on, kick with your legs. Oh shit.
What are we doing? Harry!
Wait! Wait!
Oh, it's freezing! There's crocodiles in here!
We're gonna hit the shore. We need to go that way.
I'm pushing it, ready?
Yeah. Hey, let's go. I think the tree's gonna hold me.
Is it bad or is it alright? I'll stay with the boat if you want. Yeah?
It's cold.
You alright? It's just getting used to it. Yeah, and just film like. I'll swim like that. Mate, it's chilling.
How cold is it?
It's alright if you get used to it. Just got to come out and just do what I did. But yeah, no, I can't even touch here to be fair. Not really. Actually a little bit.
Cold, isn't it?
Yeah, you did? It's what Harry looks like right now, the bog monster. I need help paddling it. It's just this bit. I didn't know it was such a harsh stretch. 3, 2, 1. Brace yourself, it's going down, brace yourself. It's going down, bro. Holy sh**. Hold on! Hold on! Oh sh**. Hold on, hold on. Yo, hold on! Oh my days! Yo! Oh my god! Yo, where are we going? Turn! We need to get across. We need to get away from the right. It's about too big. Get ready. Straight now. We're good, we're in a good spot. Just keep here. Are you ready? You ready, yeah? Let's do it. Oh, let's go. Oh my days. Straight. Go yeah! Oh my days. Get ready. Yo! Here we go! Oh push! Oh sh! Whoa! Oh my god! Yo!
There it goes. Ready? Here we go. Hey! Here they go. Oh no!
Yo! Oh my days! Oh my days! Ready? You good? I told you you'd be fine. Mate, you're my son.
Oh no, you idiot! You're on the wrong side! I'm on the wrong side!
He's not doing it, I don't think.
I don't want to be a party pooper or nothing, but I really don't like it.
What are we doing then if he's not doing it?
You can spread
Is it just me?
Yeah.
Alright, Harry don't want to do it, which is fair enough because we've been waiting with the drone. So I'm just going to send it. Yeah? I'm going to jump. 3, 2, 1, let go. Seen a bit. Alright, it's just me doing it, guys. But you know me. I'm the Ash Williams of parkour, I'm the copy.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use.
Sending it. Mike's just gonna get the drone up. Here he is in the drone. Actually, I'm moving at quite fast speed here.
If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 for you.
There's the drone. Yes, boss. Here he is on the drone. Yeah. Yo, absolute legend, mate. Right, almost to the rim. Let's go. It's just me. Gonna send it. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yo! Yo! Woohoo! Oh no! Woohoo! Alright. Oh gosh, man. We need to get back for this one. Push ourselves. Woohoo! Right, the big one's coming up. There's no time to be tired. I have to push through. I need arms is what I need. I'm absolutely knackered. Might be easier if I jump in the water maybe and swim a bit. Just to get down. Absolutely insane. Get down a bit more. One earlier now. Now hop back on. I should be able to get back on in time, hopefully. I'm not sure if that really did much, but oh shit. Stay away from the right, but I'm going straight towards it. Yo! Oh my gosh! Yo! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! No, we're taking on water like hell! Oh my days! I need to steer back the right way there. I need to go this way. Oh shit! Oh yeah. Can I go this way back? Oh god! That's not good. Oh my days! Yeah. Oh, I can walk! Yo! That is insane! I'm good. That was madness! I nearly capsized till I was by myself. Look how much water's in here. Let's go! Woo-hoo! Yo! But this, I might have to do this in a sec. Without anything, that would be the next level. I got a life jacket on, so I should be fine. But that will be elite. You reckon I should do it without anything? We'll see. Jesus, look at the size of this boat. Walk around this massive boat. This, look at it, insane. Welcome back, guys. It's Ollie here, and Michael is ready to go down. Wow, this is going to be insane. So Michael is chosen to come, aren't you, Michael? Absolute legend, mate.
I'm already regretting this.
He's already regretting it, but you've got to do it. He's seen how fun it was, and he was backing out. At first he was like yes, but then we setting up the drone for ages because it's messing up, and now we've talked him back into his senses. So let's do it. Michael in action.
I might just jump in.
That's how you do it.
I will bully you.
Truce. There's never a truce, and even I know that. Bully. Bully. Oh! Oh!
Ollie's coming with you.
Yeah,
Come on, Ollie. Go. Go on, bro. Jump. Wait, how are we gonna both get in? How are we both gonna get in?
Catch up to me because I'm gonna stay as dry as I can.
I don't want to jump.
Okay.
I don't want to swim.
Yeah.
Oh! Mate, I don't want to swim all that. Yeah. Ready, boys? 3, 2, 1. Michael! Let's go! I'm sorry, it's freezing. Let's go! Water was disgusting.
Oh,
Would you jump fully in that water? Head first, like in your head?
Yeah.
We need to redirect it. I'm gonna steer us to victory. He's like the king! Right. How did I? You bastard. I'll have to save the last percentage for the actual main bit, so I'll see you up there.
See me jump in quick.
Wait, you're going in?
Fuck it.
Are you serious?
3, 2,
There's no way.
1. How deep is it?
It will be deep as hell. You won't touch it, I reckon.
1.
Yo! Why did you jump like that? Oh my Oh my days, that jump was crazy! Do you reckon? You're getting used to it now though. You good? How did you do it?
Literally, like, just straight up, tip your head over. 3, 2, 1, go. Get it now! Wait, quick before we get. You ready for this?
Yeah.
I'm gonna cannonball, mate.
Oh my days. Your face! My days were at the edge. His face when he jumped in. It's insane. Ollie, watch this. Hold that.
God.
Oh! This was it, the first one. Wait, this way. This way. Yeah, this bit's sick, Charles. Oh god! Oh my god, Michael! Wow! Oh my gosh! We're going backwards.
Oh no, we need to turn. I ain't going back.
Michael, go straight. Go. Yo, here we go. Oh my god! Yo! Whoa!
Help me! No, I'm hooked.
What do you mean you're hooked? No way! Oh my god!
Nah, get it out. I don't like that.
Go back. There you go.
Nah, I don't like that.
Oh my days! I'll do it.
I ain't doing all this bit.
Oh.
Huh?
Whoa! Oh my days! Alright, we're back. I've been charging the GoPro a bit. Ollie's in the water. He's squeezed into Harry's wetsuit. Wait. Wait for it to get her. Flint and steel. See you later, White. Alright. Little update for y'all. This video has been absolutely insane. If you have enjoyed, I hope you have. Be sure to subscribe, like, all that good stuff. And it's starting to rain, so a little update. It's starting to rain. We're gonna hit the river one more time with Ollie. Right, let's go. I'm coming.
Move your legs, mate. Mate.
Just grab me.
Just move.
Are you getting on, are you?
Move.
I'm sorry, I didn't realise. Oh, I did! Whoa! Whoa! Well, there we go. That's one way to do it. See you later, yeah? Yeah, so this is the last time. This is the last one. It was starting to rain, it stopped. Me and Ollie are doing it now, though. Everybody's doing it, pretty much. Everybody's doing it. Hasn't everybody done it today now? Everybody has. Everybody has done this today. I can't believe it. I just realised that. Me, Harry, Michael, and now you. Oh my day. Here it comes, right? It don't go down. It do go down. Oh my god. Get ready, mate. It do go down. Oh. Oh. Woo. Whoa.
Get in, man.
Look at the water that is in here. We got one more and we're going backwards, baby. Let's do it. We're going backwards. We're going backwards. Get ready, Ollie.
Oh, we're right to come
Ollie! Ollie! Oh! Yeah, you can walk. Be careful getting out.